Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's been quite a while since we've been here. We're hoping 2025 is going to be a better year. We are going to get started. Gary's coming in right now.
Then you go up. There's the dog.
Teaching her how to jump in.
I don't think it'll work. Okay.
For you that didn't know, our tree fell. So we gotta get that cut up.
So those who do know,
They know.
it still fell. Worked pretty good. I can figure out some way to hold them up there. That'll make the screw too, so. Yeah, I think so too. Think. That'll work. Oh, was that a little bit?
Wind's really strong out there today.
Yeah. Supposed to quit. Now, sundown is supposed to start letting up.
Then the rain will move in.
Yep.
Where that board that you just glued looks like it's up a little high.
It probably is.
Oh, okay.
I just put that there just to kind of give support till I get this
Okay.
piece in there.
Cool.
Then I'll make it all even. But you are correct. It is a little bit on the high side.
Today's day of filming is January 29th, 2025. We haven't got to do much at all in here. We had really cold conditions and I've had 2 surgeries. Gary's getting ready to have surgery. Always something.
That was good.
Drilled into your leg.
Yeah, that would hurt. We all kind of squalling and stuff going on.
So we didn't make our 2024 goal of camping in the camper, but for sure we're going to make it this year, right?
Yep. Those people keep on having surgeries and stuff.
Yeah. Let's hope this year is full of good health.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Adelaide is eating an apple. Gary hasn't been doing his cleanup job while I've been incapacitated.
But we know I can. We just know I ain't done it.
Do we know you can?
Well,
So nice to see the blue skies outside and the sun shining.
it isn't. Well, darn.
What's wrong?
I can't find the bit to fit these.
Oh. Well, I used to keep them in that little round magnetic dish.
Yeah. Like this one?
Yep, somebody has been in here doing stuff, huh?
That probably wasn't me.
Well, I wasn't going to name names, but...
Why not? I would have. But these ain't long enough to get. Oh, there it is. I see it. It had come back to me. Ha ha. I know it's above me.
You definitely don't want to go through the siding.
Nope, that's what I gotta.
So do you know how far you can go now?
Yep. I do.
Test.
Uh-huh.
Oh no, it didn't hold.
Darn.
It fell down.
Maybe it's gonna hold sideways.
Ah, that's it.
Okay.
And if you're wondering what's going on here, Gary tore out the closet because I said I would like to have the refrigerator on a shelf right here, and that way where the refrigerator is now can just be more of a bathroom for a little our little porta potty thingy. What do you call those? They're not porta potties. What are they?
Portable commodes.
It's still high.
I know, babe.
Okay.
Oh, let's see. Well, that looks pretty good.
Super glue is my friend.
Yeah.
I think it's your friend. I don't use super glue.
Well, he won't hold it against you. I can't recommend this one though. It doesn't come out real well.
Gorilla super glue.
Yeah, I mean, it holds good, but the bottle sucks. Okay. I guess the next thing to do is cut the door. Put another board across there. I should get the next one across there, shouldn't I?
Probably.
Yeah.
Now, is the refrigerator going to fit between the 2x4 boards? Or,
Yeah, it's gonna go right here.
but I mean, will the door open with those boards in front of it?
The door will be hooked to this. The whole thing.
The refrigerator door is going to be hooked to that?
No. The door of the closet.
I'm talking about the refrigerator door. Will it open between those?
Oh yeah. Yeah. I done measured it a couple of dozen times.
Okay.
There's a dog.
I just didn't know how far it needed to be to open.
Nobody knows. Nobody knows.
Do you know what I'm saying?
I do understand. Since the refrigerator will be sitting in here, you want to make sure the door can open this way. Like it's supposed to. Yes.
And it'll swing out?
Yep, I allowed for it.
Well, you're a good man.
That's what I thought. Ooh. Oscillator. Yeah. It's an oscillator.
Y'all can see Gary's Christmas present sitting up there, or the box anyway. I got him a rear view camera system. What's
It's a thing.
Is that a technical term?
Yeah. It means it's like a carbuncle. Do you know what a carbuncle is?
Nope.
Something that's stupid that's in the way. Now, what about that? I need my nippers. Where are they? Ah. Get some slightly shorter screws and put in here to separate them. You didn't see that, did you?
I did. I had a close up on you.
I suppose I should take a straight edge and check it, shouldn't I? Make sure it's straight. That ought to be pretty good.
What if your board ain't straight?
I don't know. Which one? You mean that one there?
Mm-hmm.
Then the whole thing will be out. Something needs to happen there. something other than that plywood they nailed down through. I'm gonna take a guess and say no, but
Well, there wasn't at the front, so.
yeah. So you just tack it through this here and hooked it to hold, huh? That's what I get out of it. Okay, I have a plan. My superior boss lady has told me to get this board up and then get on the roof and secure it for in case the rain comes. Thank you.